Today I've got a project. It is my boat I've had for like 2 years. Bought it off a guy, let it sit. Now I'm working on it. Alright, just to show you guys, this is what I'm working with today. Well, for like the next maybe couple days. 16 footer. Came with the trailer. Guy had it set up, had to tear it all apart. Rotted wood everywhere. Gonna have to fix that, hopefully change that out. That's messed up. My dad and I fixed the holes. There was a lot of holes. There was actually big old holes like that. And we got those taken care of. There's my wood. This is gonna be a fun weekend, guys. Well, the next step is to cut the bench seats. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Nothing happened back there. It all happened right here. I got a middle seat. I got my deck started. Alright guys, we're back again with the boat. Day 2 of the boat build. Whew. We're hoping to get it out on the lake on, well, tomorrow. So we got a lot of work to do. Alright guys, just a little update. Well, we got the seats on, at least the middle section seats. Both sides have cup holders. And next step is going to be working on the deck. But right now, I'm actually working on trying to rig something up for the trolling motor so I could stick it on the back for now. Until I can actually get a motor that goes back there. So, that's what we're working with. I am done for now with the boat. We got a front deck. That's my dad back there. We got a front deck. Structurally sound. We got a live well we actually put in with, it's just a clear plastic tote from Walmart. Not too fancy or nothing like that. The seats are done. We got some steps. Back in the back, we actually got the trolling motor finally mounted, and we can take that off and put it on whenever we want. And in the middle section, we got ourselves a little storage room. Alright guys, we're out here on the lake. Well, I haven't tested the deck yet. The seats work pretty well, but our trolling motor officially failed. We're gonna have to figure something else out for that. I was literally controlling it by hand. So, hopefully when we get out of here, we can figure something out later. But until then...
Oh, sorry.
Alright guys, so that didn't go according to plan. Well, for starters, we got the boat in the water. Trolling motor, the mount broke. So, and then a little later, found out we had a leak in the boat. And on top of that, the deck's still a little wobbly. So we're gonna have to secure that. So it looks like I got my work cut out for me. And I got a lot of work to do, so. If y'all like what you see, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think.
Well,